With plenty of psychedelic insights to process post-session, here is your quickfire rundown on the top 3 tips to ensure successful integration. Number 1. Don't forget your insights. The best and most effective way to integrate insights from a trip sounds simple but often catches people off guard, and that is to simply not forget your trip insights. See, tripping is a lot like dreaming, and just like dreams, memories of your trip can fade away in the blink of an eye. So grab a journal and write everything down while it's still fresh. Those profound realizations, as well as those bizarre metaphors that somehow made perfect sense in the moment. Trust me, future you will be thankful you captured these gems before they dissolved back into the ether. Number 2. Community integration. Sharing your experiences with the right people can be a major help for effective integration. Simply recounting your experience with another person helps solidify them in your mind, and sometimes hearing yourself explain them reveals even deeper meanings, much like reciting a dream to someone. Just be sure to share this with a person who won't dismiss your experience with, "Oh, you were just high." Number 3. Create anchors in reality. This is something I wish somebody had told me years ago, but that is to find physical objects or practices that connect your trip experience to your everyday world.